Hey everyone, it's Kim. Today I will be reviewing the Cromwell, where I recently stayed for 3 nights. The Cromwell is a small boutique hotel in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip and belongs to the Caesars Rewards group of properties. The Cromwell is one of my favorite hotels on the Strip. I find the property very classy. The casino is smaller, but there's still a good selection of slots and table games, and it makes it very easy to navigate. There is also a small sports book. I absolutely love the scent in the Cromwell. They do also have great drink service, and I will say it's likely the best drink service on the Strip. There's not a lot of food options on site, but it's situated close to other areas like the Link Promenade. There is Giada's, which is worth a visit, and also Eat Well for small snacks and sandwiches. The pool is Dre's Beach Club on the weekends, but guests do get in free before noon. You are given the option though to use the pools at the Flamingo or Caesars Palace. I absolutely loved the concept and the design of the guest rooms. The rainfall shower was amazing, and I felt that the large furniture worked well in the small space. What struck me though, based on the price point of the hotel, was the lack of basic maintenance. We had many small issues, which included things like lights that were burnt out and a sink that wouldn't drain and would randomly bring stuff back up. Overall though, I had a really comfortable stay at the Cromwell, and I would absolutely stay here again. I really hope though that they can sort out the basic maintenance, as it is a great property and a great location. I just feel though that guests might expect a bit more based on the price point. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Also, comment below if you've stayed at the Cromwell and what your experience was. See you all in the next one.